The given problem is the resultant of two forces, one of which is 3 times the other, is 300 newtons. When the direction of the smaller force is reversed, the resultant is 200 newtons. Determine the forces and the angle between them. As I said in the earlier video, that is, if only two forces are given, then we can use law of parallelogram forces. So here, under law of parallelogram forces, the formula used for finding the resultant is R is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha, if alpha is the angle between two forces. P and Q are the two forces, two concurrent forces. Here P and Q are the two forces. P and Q are the two forces. So here P and instead of Q we say 3P, as it is 3 times the other 3P. If that is the case, then R is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. This is the original formula. Here the Q is to be replaced with 3P. P square plus 3P whole square plus 2 into P into 3P cos alpha. If one force is 3 times the other, then the resultant is 300 newtons. Then if you squaring both sides, then 300 square is equal to P square plus 9P square plus 6P square cos alpha. This is the first case. Second case. When the direction of the smaller force is reversed, then resultant R is equal to 200 newtons. So resultant R is equal to under root of P square plus 3P whole square minus 2 into P into 3P into cos alpha, which is equal to 200 is equal to P square plus 9P square minus 6P square cos alpha. By squaring both sides, 200 square is equal to P square plus 9P square minus 6P square cos alpha. That is 200 square is equal to 10P square minus 6P square cos alpha. This is second equation. The first equation is 300 square is equal to 10P square plus 6P square cos alpha. This is the first equation. By adding both 200 square plus 300 square is equal to 20p square, as these two cancel together. Then p square is equal to 300 square plus 200 square by 20. Therefore p is equal to 80.62 newtons, and q is equal to 3p, which implies q is equal to 3 into 80.62 80.62, which is equal to 241.86. P value is equal to 80.62 newtons and q is equal to 241.86 newtons, and angle between them, that is alpha is equal to how much, that we have to calculate it. That is 300 square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos alpha, which is equal to 300 square plus p 80 square plus 241.86 alpha is equal to cos inverse of 0.6487, which is equal to 0.6487, 49.55 degrees, or approximately 50 degrees. So therefore the answers are two forces. P is equal to 80.62 newtons and Q is equal to 241.86 newtons, and angle between the two forces alpha is equal to 50 degrees.